You people told me they would sit this one out.
That was based on the intelligence that we had at the time, Mr. President.
I don't think anyone in this damn government has any intelligence. So they're coming here? What do you propose we do to stop them?
We have two options, sir. Pull 2 divisions from Europe and send them to retake Seattle before the Chinese arrive.
But then we lose Europe and the war.
In all probability, yes.
What's the other option?
Wait until the Chinese come ashore, then hit them with a B-83 strategic nuclear device.
Hit them after they're ashore. Ashore in Seattle.
Yes, sir.
So, you're suggesting we wipe one of our major cities off the map?
It's our cleanest shot to destroy the Chinese, Mr. President. Otherwise, we risk losing everything.
What forces do we have around Seattle now?
A couple of battered battalions. The ones that stopped the Russians at Cascade Falls.
But not enough to retake the city.
We could order them to try, but I wouldn't get my hopes up, sir.
Order those battalions to attack, General. And if they fail, as a last resort, order the nuclear strike.
Mr. President, I'm sorry that it's come to this.
Sorry. Yeah. That's all, General.
As we were catching our collective breath and trying to reorganize, word came down that China had finally entered the war as an ally of the Soviet Union. The Chinese invasion fleet was steaming towards Seattle, planning to use the Russian beachhead to get ashore. The USS Missouri had been sunk a week earlier off the coast of British Columbia, and there wasn't much left of our Pacific fleet to stop the Chinese. So we moved west towards Seattle and the main Soviet defense perimeter. Webb said the men needed to rest for at least a day, but the colonel pushed us on, saying we had to see this thing to the end before it was too late. Later, when we learned about the president's backup plan, we understood why.
That will wipe out the entire city.
That will be our only option if you fail.
Understood, General. We'll do what it takes. Eagle 6 out. It's a new war we're fighting, Corporal. I'm not sure I fit in anymore.
Sir?
Never mind. Get over here. We have to achieve a breakthrough today. The President has ordered a nuclear bomb dropped on Seattle if the Chinese manage to come ashore.
Seattle, sir?
It'll make our failure at Cascade Falls look like a Cub Scout picnic.
But we didn't fail at Cascade Falls, sir.
When I'm forced to sacrifice a company of my men and drop a nuclear weapon on my own country, call it a goddamn failure. I won't let it happen again. Assemble the men. You'll get your orders shortly. Get us to the CP and step on it.
Yes, sir.
Webb, I need you to make a frontal assault while Parker flanks around to the south. This town is the key to breaking through the Soviet defense perimeter, and we're taking it today, come hell or high water.
Sir, I'm gonna lose a lot of men on a frontal attack. Maybe if I flanked around to the north.
No time for that now, Webb. Commence the attack at once.
Sir, I'll send 2nd Platoon across to secure the bridge.
Parker, move to the south and secure the Soviet outpost at the church. Expect heavy resistance. Eagle 6 out.
Eagle 6, this is Webb. I just lost 2nd Platoon and the bridge collapsed in the artillery barrage. Please advise, over.
Take the initiative, damn it! Move your company north and flank around from there!
Roger that, sir. Webb out.
Yes, sir. Slow but steady.
Yes, sir. Artillery is mobile mortar moving out, sir.
That tank got us locked. What the heck? Heading to coordinates. Spinning those tracks. Heading to coordinates. Heavy tracks are kicking up dirt. We're in combat.
Artillery is available. Firing at coordinates.
Tank is through. Recovery vehicle. Let's start those repairs.
Good coordinates, sir. Casualty inflicted. Target destroyed as detected.
Moving the recovery vehicle.
Artillery here.
Got us
Moving
targeted.
into position.
Enemy down.
Yes, sir. Target received.
Armor holding. Give us some orders. Rolling her out. Heavy armor here. We're driving to coordinate. Moving as ordered. Tracks on. Moving as ordered. Recovery vehicle commencing repairs. Armor's ready to tracks up to party.
Medium artillery ready for action. Rolling out. Mobile mortar here, sir.
Main guns rolling to party. Armor's come. Field repairs on the way, sir.
Yes, sir. Artillery. Yes, sir. Moving to a better firing position. Medium artillery firing at coordinates. Laying down a barrage, sir.
Yes, sir. Armor commencing repairs. Heavy tracks starting to move. Let's fix him up right now.
Medium artillery ready for action. Executing orders, sir.
Destroy that. What the heck is going on outside? Heat on target. Take down heat.
You need to push harder, Parker. We have to take this town and move on to Seattle tonight.
Artillery is available.
We are ready to consider it done, sir. Taking the perimeter.
Mobile mortar here, sir.
The Russians sure didn't send any green draftees over here. These units fight like veterans.
Yeah, you're right, Captain. We have to respect the enemy. The minute we stop doing that, we lose this war.
Heavy armor here. Where do you want us? Spinning those tracks. We need orders. The perimeter is going to be ours. Awaiting command. Heading to coordinates.
The church is ours. Now dig in.
All down. Incoming. Destroy the target.
Wilco,
They're in combat.
Stoker is primed and in transit.
Armor holding. Give us some orders. Fixed up. Firm kill. What the heck is going on outside? We need orders.
This is Stoker. Napalm deployed. Over.
Abrams here. Let's start those repairs. Your order. Heat on target. Take down heat. What the heck is going on outside?
Finally, Parker. Webb, what's your status?
We're heavily engaged, Colonel. I'll get back to you.
Damn it, Parker. Soviet bombers are inbound to your position. Pull back now. Get the hell away from that church and move toward the river. The river, Parker.
We're available for heading to the coordinates. Moving, sir.
Move toward the river now, Lieutenant.
Artillery under attack.
Seems Ivan is calling in everything he has. It won't help him, though.
One enemy killed. What the heck is going on outside? Let's start those repairs.
Parker, move your people to the southern part of town and secure it. Webb will continue to assault from the north.
guns primed and shells are in place.
Artillery's available.
Able tracks are moving. Commencing repairs. Driving to coordinates. Field repairs on the way, sir. A lot of our fuel.
Gotta move on! Seattle is lost if we don't break through today. I will not accept another Cascade Falls. Parker, the local Russian commander has decided to turn tail and run. He's moving south in a civilian car. Kill him if you get the chance. Eagle 6 out.
Let's fix it up right now.
Webb here. We're breaking through the first defensive line. The Russians are regrouping to the east. I'm pursuing now. Out.
Copy. Aerial recon orders received. Heading out now. Over. Aerial recon is completed. Primer out.
Main guns driving to target.
Well done, Parker. Without their commander, they'll be a lot less organized. That's gotta help.
Yes, sir. Here's the combat.
Artillery here.
Hostile
Yes, sir.
target defeated.
Target received.
Abrams here. We're going to football. Mechanics are on the way.
Artillery silent for target
Need
search.
order. Let's start those. Move it out. Let's start those repairs. Armor holding. Give us some orders.
Roger that. Circling coordinates and scanning. Primer out.
Let's fire. Rolling into combat.
Artillery is available. Yes, sir. Target received.
Abrams warmed up, sir. Commencing repairs.
We've completed our scan of the area.
Armor's ready to go. Yes, sir. Going to take that armor as combat. Moving as armor's ready to move it out. Yes, sir. Armor available. Repair vehicle available. Field repairs on the way, sir.
Mobile mortar here, sir. Heading to the coordinates.
Main guns primed and shells are in place. We are ready to rumble, sir. Field repairs on the way, sir. Heavy armor here. We're moving out. Armor's ready to go. Driving to coordinates. Move to that. Armor's rolling, sir. Armor ready. Let's fix him up right now. We're under attack. Yes, we're available for repairs. That tank is through. Repair vehicle is firing at us. All right, let's get him fixed up. Hurry up.
Medium artillery ready for action. Executing order, sir.
Your order. Repairing our own vehicle. Hostile target defeated. What the heck is going on? Heading to coordinates. What now? Heading to coordinates. Commencing repairs. Armor holding. Give us some orders. Heat on the way. We need or shoot that target. What the heck is going on outside? Firing at hostiles. Destroyed a target.
This is Hunter. Hostile tanks designated as primary
Target
target.
destroyed as intended.
Hostile target defeated.
Hunter here. I didn't see any enemies in the
Abrams
coordinates.
is
Move
ordered.
over.
Field repairs on the way, sir. That's a confirmed kill. Abrams here. What now, sir?
Yes, sir. Artillery is ready.
Parker, Ivan is calling in a heavy artillery barrage on your position. Get out of the impact area ASAP.
Armor holding. Give us some orders. Rolling, sir. Heavy armor here. Driving to coordinates. We are moving as rolling, sir. We're in combat.
We're available for light support. Target confirmed. Fire.
I'll be goddamn, you just lost a position, Parker. Take it back.
What the heck is going on outside?
That was a successful attack.
Copy that. Heading towards target coordinates. Nice man out.
We're in combat. Abrams here. Let it go. Roll. Armor's tracks are moving. Hurry up. Repair vehicle here.
We got casualties.
Hurry up. We're in combat. Rolling. Engines heading to Yes, sir. Slow but steady. Fire that heat, please. Take that heat.
Our barrage defeated the enemy.
Main guns present.
Retake that position before Ivan fortifies, Parker, or we'll lose all we fought for here.
Medium artillery ready for action. Executing orders, sir.
Armor holding, firing at hostiles. Locking hostiles. Is through. Heat on target. Gonna take them. Push it. Armor ready. Under attack. Commencing repairs.
Artillery silence the target,
Push
sir.
it, sir. Hold out. Heading to coordinates. Spinning those tracks.
Why are we not making any progress, people? Get this goddamn show on the road.
Coordinates, sir. Casualty inflicted.
Heavy engineers ready for duty. Field repairs on the way, sir. Target overrun.
Yeah, enemy units in the target area are neutralized. Nice man out.
Armor holding, give us spinning those tracks. Hurry up! All right, let's get her fixed up. Recovery vehicle here, sir. Your order, going to push it, sir. Now, heading to coordinates. What the heck is going on? Enemy targeted. Hurry up! Sir, hostile vehicle destroyed. Let's fix him up right now. Heavy armor here, we're moving as ordered.
Artillery strike anywhere, sir.
Combat!
Firing at coordinates.
Hey, let's fix him up right now. He's got a wrecked hospital.
Roger that. I have enemy tanks on my scope. Over and out.
Abrams here. What now, sir? Keep it up.
Those coordinates were no good. Hunter out.
Recovery vehicle here, sir. Commencing repairs. Field repairs on the way, sir. Abrams warmed up, sir. Driving to coordinates. We got that tank. Target overrun.
Artillery silence the target, sir. Yes, sir. Target received.
Wilco, climber is in the air. Aerial recon inbound. Out.
Good coordinates, sir. Casualty inflicted.
Enemy neutralized. Moving on. Vehicle. Let's fix him up right now.
Primer, aerial recon completed.
We're available for light support. Affirmative, sir. Firing. Direct hit on that infantry.
Enemy neutralized. Moving on.
Mobile mortar here, sir. Yes, sir. Target received.
Heavy engineers ready for duty.
Copy that.
Target engaged.
Primer, open the hot zone.
Hostile target defeated.
Primer here. Aerial recon completed. Enemy units are dead. Hunter out. Wilco, primer is in the air. Aerial recon inbound.
We're available for light support. Firing at coordinates.
Copy. Aerial recon orders received. Heading out now. Over.
Medium artillery ready for action. Executing orders, sir.
We have them now, Parker. Move your company north across the town bridge.
Target destroyed as intended. Mobile mortar here, sir.
Damn it, another bridge down. You'll have to find another route, Parker. Move east by the sawmill.
Heavy armor, blitzing the enemy. Moving as ordered. Field repairs on the way, sir.
Parker, we've been delayed enough. I want you to use all possible speed as you approach the sawmill.
Moving into position.
We are ready to fix him up right now.
Parker might run into infantry hidden in those woods. We should be wary of ambushes, Colonel.
He'll run them over if necessary. You hear me, Parker? Stop at nothing. Eagle 6 out.
This is Webb. I'm facing tank-heavy Russian forces to the north.
Are you advancing?
We're doing our best to break through, but they're putting up a stiff defense, Colonel.
Understood, Captain. I'll see if I can get you some air support. Eagle 6 here. I just talked to Colonel Wilkins. His battalion is too far to the south to help us here. We're on our own, and we cannot fail. Eagle 6 out.
We're in combat. What the heck is going on outside? Let's go. Your order.
Artillery barrage turned the target area into dust.
Abrams here. What now, sir?
Napalm delivery ordered. Stay clear of target area.
What's going on outside? Heavy tracks are kicking up dirt.
Webb here. The assault is not going well. If I push harder, I'll lose my command, Colonel.
You've never failed me before, James, and you won't fail me now. I know you can do this.
Enemy units in the area. Over.
Heavy armor here. Where do you drive to party? Armor ready. Commencing repairs. Abrams warmed up, sir.
Artillery is available. Affirmative, sir. Firing.
Main guns tracks are moving. Moving out.
Take it, no more. Yes, sir. Artillery's ready.
Heavy on moving. Roll and leaving.
Artillery strike. Yes, sir. Driving.
Main guns tracks are moving.
Copy that. Napalm strike inbound. Stoker
Heavy
out.
armor here. Driving to coordinates. Moving. Rolling. Rolling.
This is Eagle 6. I've dispatched a helicopter squadron to aid you. They will provide fire support. Out.
Armor holding. Give us some orders.
This is Stoker. Napalm strike completed.
Kill confirmed. Abrams going to the fire, heading to coordinates. Waiting command. Let's start those repairs. Abrams here. What now, sir? Firing at hostiles. Armor holding. Give us some orders. Rolling around. Enemy neutralized. Moving on. Abrams driving to coordinates. Tracks are moving. Keep it up. Yes, sir. Tracks are moving. Main guns prime. Rolling, sir.
Artillery strike anywhere, sir. Yes, sir. Moving to a better firing position.
You crushed the defenders, Parker. Now secure the area.
Webb to Eagle 6. We just ran into another sizable force. I'm trying to set up evasive fire, but there's a lot of them.
I trust you to handle it, Captain. The only way is forward. Eagle 6 out.
Zulu Niner, we copy. Firing for effect. Over.
Abrams warmed up, repairs on the way, sir. The vehicle right on.
We
Medium
have a blue
artillery
on
moving
blue
into position.
situation. I repeat, we have a blue on blue situation.
Good shot. Keep it
We're
up.
available
Need
for
our
light support.
Yes, sir. Armor available. Let's fix him up right now. Yes, sir. Armor gun rolling.
Swift and deadly, Parker. I'm giving you direct access to our MLRS battery.
Eagle 6, this is Webb. The Russians are sending a light cavalry force towards the sawmill.
Did you get that, Parker? Don't let Ivan take the sawmill. Dig in and fight them off.
Roger that. I have enemy tanks on my scope. Over and out.
Sir, hostile vehicle destroyed.
This is Hunter. I think I just hit some friendlies.
Medium order here. What now? Want to support somewhere?
What now? Let's start those repairs.
What now, sir?
Target destroyed.
Seems you've destroyed that attack group, Parker. The sawmill is secure. This is Webb. The dam has been secured. I'm moving my people across now.
About goddamn time, Parker. We have them surrounded. Smash through their lines and move into town. Webb will support you.
Aerial recon is completed. Primer out.
Mobile mortar here.
I'm sending in air support as well. Eagle 6 out.
Moving out. Heavy armor here. We're repairs on the way, sir. Armor ready. Driving to coordinates. Let's fix him up right now. Nice shot. Tank destroyed. Destroyed a target. What the? Rolling around. Target defeated. Waiting. All right, let's get him fixed up.
We beat them in France, and we beat them in their own backyard. I'll be damned if I let Ivan beat us on our home turf.
Abrams warmed up, attacking the enemy.
What should we do? Leaving? Leave go. Leaving. Heavy artillery requesting orders. What now, sir?
Target overrun.
Medium artillery reporting in. What now, sir? Yes, sir. Target received.
Heavy arm moving as ordered. What now, sir? Heading to coordinates.
Roger, Wilco. Joker switching to missile. This is Joker. Hostile fogies in target area have been down. Over.
Target tank in flames.
Unit standing by.
Their defenses are failing. Don't let up now.
Firing at coordinates. Medium artillery ready for action. Affirmative, sir. Firing.
We're under attack.
Direction on that
rolling,
infantry.
sir. You're rolling into combat. Rolling her up. Enemy down.
They've all delivery orders. Stay clear of target area.
Heavy artillery. What's your orders, sir? Coordinates hit. Kill confirmed. Target confirmed. Fire.
This is Joker. I am inbound for some air-to-air
This is Eagle 6. We've breached their defenses. Move in and secure the rest of the town while they're still disorganized. Eagle 6 out.
But watch for infantry hidden in those buildings, Parker.
Mobile mortar here, sir. Executing order, sir. Unit standing by, ready to fire. Affirmative, sir. Firing.
Heavy up, moving out. Field repairs on the way, sir. Field repairs.
Sir, fortification destroyed as ordered. Heavy artillery, what's your orders, sir? Yes, sir. Target received.
Abrams warmed up, sir. Enemy targeted. Repair vehicle available. Field repairs on the way, sir. Kill confirmed.
Target destroyed as intended.
Abrams here. What's
Barrage
the
depleted the enemy. Unit standing by, ready to fire. Executing orders, sir.
Cannons are on the way. What now, sir? We need orders. All right, let's get them fixed up. Let's start those repairs.
Not much left of that. We're available for light support. Have artillery here, attack.
Direct hit on the enemy, sir.
Yes, sir. Target received.
What the heck is going on outside? Rolling into combat.
Artillery strike anywhere, sir. Yes, sir. Target received.
Roger that. Circling the coordinates and scanning. Primer out. Copy that.
Artillery
Things are about to
sighted.
become scrap metal. Hunter out. Roger that. Delivering a rain of shells at target coordinates. Wilco, Stoker is primed and in transit. Out.
Heavy artillery. What's your orders, sir?
Target area has been turned to dust, including hostiles.
Target confirmed. Fire.
Stoker here. Napalm payload dropped at destination
Field
coordinates.
repairs on the way, sir.
Good coordinates, sir. Casualty inflicted. Mobile mortar here, sir. Artillery silent for target. Firing at coordinates.
On the hold and give us some orders. We're in combat. What the heck is going on outside? Mechanics are on the way. Yes, we're back. Hostiles targeted, sir. The perimeter is going to be ours. Hostiles targeted, sir. Abrams here. What now, sir? We need orders, sir. Let's start those repairs. On the hold and give us firing at hostiles. Enemy neutralized. Moving on. Get into that perimeter now. What now, sir? Repair vehicle here. Mechanics are on the way.
You're doing good, people. Keep it up.
Artillery ready for action.
What the heck is going on outside? Got that chopper.
Unit standing by, ready to fire.
Target destroyed.
Executing orders, sir.
Copy that.
We're available for light support. Rolling out.
Down, incoming. Destroying a target. On the holding. Orders combat ready. Let's fix him up right now.
Primer here. We've completed our scan of the area. Roger, I have mark on the bogey. Joker out.
Recovery vehicle here, sir. Let's fix him up right now. Moving his orders. Commencing repairs.
Mobile, we can't do that.
No more bogeys in the target area. Joker out.
Firing at coordinates. Medium artillery ready for action. Yes, sir. Target received. Artillery under attack.
Heavy armor here. We're moving outline.
We set up for heavy fire support.
Almost there, Parker. Now fill those sandbags.
Yes, sir. Artillery's ready. Moving to the designated support zone, sir. Artillery's available. Target confirmed. Fire. Unit standing by, ready to fire. Target confirmed. Good. Fire.
This is Eagle 6. The town square has been secured. Private people are scattered all over. Deal with them, Parker. If they don't give up, you wipe them out. Understood?
Copy. Daisy Cutter is inbound. Angel out.
Set up for heavy fire support. Firing at coordinates.
Angel here. Heavy ordnance drop.
They are engaging us.
All right, people. Listen up. Next stop is a division rally point 150 clicks west. So we'll have to march through the night and eat on the move. Eagle 6 out.